Good morning, 7th grade. This is Mr. Bradford back again. So, I don't know who knows and who doesn't or whatever, but the new way, or I guess I should say, the way we're finishing out the year is we're going back to packets. So, if you're watching this, I assume it means you have internet access. But for those kids that don't have internet access, it shouldn't be too big of a deal. This should be just a review. So we have your first, the next 3 weeks of stuff. This week's going to be about the rock cycle, so you guys should Tuesday get the packet with all this stuff in it. Has the rock cycle, so basically you're just going to go through and read it all. There's a little thing, and then answer the questions. So all of the questions, there's only 6 of them for the first part. All the questions can be answered from this reading sample right here. So pretty straightforward, and Miss Morton told me you guys already went over this, so this should be a pretty simple, straightforward review. So 3 weeks of packets, or 6 weeks of packets, I should say. I did the first 3. Then we got the second one this week. Oops, that's the answer key. So we have this next one. Rock, how does it form? Couple answers right there. Only 5 of them, so not a lot of work. All of this can be answered from the previous reading segment right there. Okay, so just 10-ish, 9, 10, 11 questions. All of it can be answered from that reading passage right there. So pretty straightforward. You can email me with any questions. Remember, you're turning these things into me. I know that I'm acting as Miss Morton right now, but if you have to turn it in an alternate way, if you can't drop it off at the school, you'll be emailing things to me. Miss Morton will be back in 3 weeks. She just told me that. So I think she said the 27th it'll be back on her. So mark your calendars. But for the next 3 weeks, it'll still be me. I think that's all I have for you. I'll be back next Monday with a video over week 2, it'll be called. So I will see you then.